So yes, Chandra, please go ahead. You were asking something. Just missed that one. So regarding this block and unblock and archiving, you are asking, or deletion of the customer, you are saying, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So we can archive and we can block the archive and we can release the archive, but we cannot delete.
Right. Even if somewhere you will get some kind of deletion kind of options, okay, that will not
Mm.
delete permanently from the database. Okay, database in the
Okay.
sense, if you have a customer code, if you'll come to here in the KNA1 table, okay, that can be visible here. That will be available
Okay.
always here. But that
Okay.
specific customer will never come when or system will never propose that when you are creating any kind of transaction. Okay, there it will not appear. Okay.
Okay.
And sometimes if for example if you are not archiving or not deleting, okay, you are simply making this as checked. Okay, then what will happen, it will be display there. Okay, whenever you will create any kind of transaction or a sales order, but you cannot create any sales order, system will say this is blocked, like that kind of information you will get. Okay.
Even if it is showing there, we cannot able to create until this archive flag is checked, like
Yeah,
it is
yes,
blocked.
yes, until this cell central block is not unchecked. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so why these two options are here? Why this block option is here? For example, some specific customers are there who we are dealing with the credit management previously. Okay, now they are a kind of defaulter kind of customer. Now they are unable to do the payment or some do for other transactions. So in that case, what happens? Management will take a decision for a specific period. They may block that customer until unless they are not doing the payment of the previous transactions. So to do that kind of things or handle that kind of situations, this block options is available. Okay, guys, so now see, um here we have, yeah, here if you'll click on this option, you can see the business partner option is here, business partner, career, all these descriptions are coming here. So we need a description along with the code. Okay, so to get that thing, you can click here, you can go to options. Okay, okay, just have a look properly here. Okay, don't do other things or don't touch any other things here. Okay, just come to visualization theme font. No, not this one. Okay, here. Okay, the second one, interaction design. Come to this visualization one. Okay, here under this visualization one, control option is there. Controls, right? Click on this one and check this one also. Okay, check these two. If anyone is not getting this one, okay. I mean this code. Okay, to get the code along with this description, you need to do this change. Yeah, click on this apply option. Click on OK. So now if you'll click on this, you'll get the code as well. Yeah. Okay. See, now you can see these things, right? So what you will do now? See this BP again. Let me explain here. What is happening here? Under this BP, we have customers. Under this BP, we have customer. Under this BP, we have vendor. Okay, so BP means business partner. BP means business partner. Okay, business partner. Okay, so whomever is linked with our business will be always called as a business partner in SAP. Whomever is, it's not in SAP even, it's a generic word. Okay, it's a generic term. Whomever is associated in, it may be any way, it may be any medium. Okay, if it is linked to our business, doing something, connect, some kind of activities, it's connecting to our organization in some ways. Even if he is a salesman, even if he is a sales manager, that person will also called as a business partner in terms of SAP here. In SAP SD side, you have to focus this customer only, not vendor. Okay, this will be managed by the consultant, but this will be managed by us. Okay, so previously this business partner term was not there in ECC system. Now even in ECC it is not available. But when it will come to ECC, we will focus on the XD01 or XD02 or XD03 only, and that is for customer master only. Okay. So customer master again is coming under some account group. Customer master again is coming some under some account group. Okay. Customer master is will be created or will come under some account group. SCCUNT account group. Okay. So customer master account group. Okay. But this BP will always come under some BP rule. BP will come under, or business partner will come under business partner rule. So that we will understand here. Business partner rule we will understand here. Okay. In S4 HANA. So this is the additional thing here in S4 HANA. Okay. So if we'll click on this, as I already mentioned, right, whomever is linked in some way, it is linked to our business, will be always called as a business partner. Okay. So now we have for when business partner is a vendor, for that there will be a different BP rule. When business partner is a customer, there will be a different rule. Okay. Okay. So what is the business partner role code? The business partner role code is is this 6 times 0. This is the standard SAP standard. Okay, 6 times 0. What is the business partner role? For the business partner role code for the business partner, triple sorry 6 times 0. Okay, 6 times 0. But when that business partner will play a role of customer, then that time the rule will be FL. Go to F series. See, FLCU01. FLCU01. Okay. FLCU01. FLCU01. Okay. This is for the customer. But again, there are two different thing here. Okay. Customer. But this is for sales view. This is for sales view. Okay. If we'll go to this one, canceling this one. If we'll go to another one, FLCU00. See this one. This is the FI customer. Okay. This is for the FI customer. FLCU00. This is again for the customer. But this will be called as a FI customer, or this particular role will contain the company code view information. Company code information. But this is sales. Okay. So similarly, if any BP is playing a role of vendor or supplying something, some kind of material to us, that will be considered as a vendor. Okay. For example, in our company, we are planning to install the AC. Okay, this is a summer season. We need to install AC in some offices or some cabins. Okay, so for that, we may connect with LG or some other distributor who are providing this AC, right, air conditioner. So they will be considered as a vendor to us. They will be considered as a vendor to us because we are purchasing something from them. So vendor is something or someone from whom we will buy something for our company. Okay, and customer is
Like
customers are
business to business.
yeah, it can be anything we are purchasing from
Yeah.
anyone. Okay, that person or that organization will be considered as a vendor to us.
Vendor.
Yeah. Okay, so vendor have different role again. Okay, see if you will see that vendor role here, come to here. This is the BP rule, change BP rule option we are selecting. Okay, come to here. See, FLVN00 supplier FLVN01. Again, you will have two different thing here. See why these two different rules we do have here? Because in some cases maybe we are not doing any physical transactions with the supplier or with the customers, but we are doing some financial transactions with them. Okay, in that case, without creating FLCU01, also we can do the transactions by creating the FI customer or creating the FI vendor. Okay, or FI supplier. Supplier means vendor only. Okay, so if only financial transactions we are going to do with that vendor or customer, then we have to extend the BP rule to this FLCU00 and FLVN00, not to 01 anywhere. If it is something, physically we are doing some kind of transactions with the customer or supplier or vendor, then in that case we need to extend this BP rule to FLCU01, or you can say FLVN01. Clear? Everyone
Please
is
repeat
clear?
what you said.
Okay, okay. See, I already mentioned whomever is associated with, in some ways, it may be any way, whomever is associated to our business. Okay, then that particular vendor, supplier, or whomever will be considered always as a business partner to us. Okay, so again, business partner have different roles. Someone may be supplying something to us. Someone may be purchasing something from us. Someone maybe is there who is taking care of our business responsibility, like the sales manager who is responsible to do the sales in our company, right? Or some sales executive maybe who are there who going to the market on daily basis physically and selling our product. So that person also can be considered as a business partner in terms of SAP, or in terms of business, you can say. Okay, so when we are specifying the roles of that business partner, that will be always handled through this BP rule. Okay, so when we are allowing some business partner to do the or to purchase or buy the products from our company, then we have to define them as a business partner, or as a sorry, not business partner, they are already business partner. We have to define the role to them, or we'll take them under the role of customer. When we are purchasing something from someone or some vendor, then we have to define the rules, or we'll keep them under the rules of this supplier. Okay, now there are two things again. If we are going to sell a physical product to our customer, okay, physical product to our customer, then in that case we have to define this rule to this FI customers view only, because we are sorry, did a mistake. If we are doing some physical transaction, then we have to define this or extend this rule to FLCU01. If we are not going to send something or give something or sell something physically, only we are doing some kind of financial settlement with with some customer, then we have to extend the rule to this FLCU00. In other way, you can understand three things, three types of things we had discussed will come under the customer master, right? That is general data, another one is custom company code data, another one is sales data. So when any customer needs to fill by the sales information or sales data, then you have to extend a particular business partner to this FLCU01 rule. If it is something where we are responsible to fill the company code informations, then we have to extend the rule or extend the business partner to the rule, business partner rule FLCU00. Are you clear now? Let me precise it in a different way. For some cases, some cases, what happens, we need to pay some amount to a particular customer, okay, without doing any kind of transactions also. That can be a some kind of incentive also, you can assume. So in that case, what happens? Some kind of incentive means some amount we are going to give to the customer. But in that case, that customer has not done any kind of business transaction or physical transactions with us, right? But still we are paying some amount to that customer. So in that case, you can consider that customer, or you can create that customer as under this FLCU00. Okay. Now you are, hopefully you are clear, but if you are not still having some kind of doubt, then when we will create the customer and do the transactions, that time you will understand properly this thing.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so at this moment you simply write down the BP can be extend to FLCU00 if it is a FI customer, or if we are maintaining the company code informations only. In case if the customer is doing some kind of physical transactions with us, then that time we have to extend that business partner to FLCU01 rule or customer rule, you can say. Okay. So to once again under this, actually what happened till now, business partner and we are discussing about the BP rule. But when it comes to the customer, there again we will have some different thing, that is account group and other things related to the sales information, you can say. Okay. And other things again, if we are converting the or extending the BP rule to the FI view, then there we need to maintain the company code informations. Okay. But again, for this we have to do specific settings on in system, then only system will understand what is the BP, whether the BP can be extend to the FI view or not through this FLCU00 BP rule, or can be assigned extend to the customer or not, that also we can do. Okay. What is this? Okay,
Uh,
fine.
that's a mistake that it's from my end.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it is given a pen option here.
Oh, we can
So if I
test that.
wanted to
We
point
can
something,
test
I
that.
can
Can
easily
you?
point.
Oh, okay. You
Yeah.
it means someone can highlight
Yes,
remotely,
yes.
right?
But if I
Can you?
wanted to ask this,
Okay,
okay.
okay. Understood. Great. Fine. So can you highlight this particular status option? Can you try
Yeah,
once?
yeah.
Oh,
This one.
great, great. Okay. So in this way, people can ask. Great.
Ask whatever the point we wanted to ask.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so for that kind of controls, let's go to the path. Okay, so where I can do the setup, or where I can do the configuration? Someone please guide me. Swarup, you guide me. Swarup,
PRO slash N SPRO.
okay, slash
Yes, sir.
N S P R O. Okay, okay. Next, see this path, this screen, these options are same in ECC and as for HANA. Okay, go
SAP
to
reference
SAP
IMG.
reference IMG. Yeah, Chandra and Rajesh, you please guide me now where I can do the business partner setup or configuration.
We have to look account group now.
No, before that I need to see. Just have a look here. What we discussed here. plus n BP, right? So in a
Yes.
sequence, if we'll go, see what I am doing, I have to create a customer first, right?
Okay. Fine. Fine.
Sorry, not sorry, I did a mistake. Not customer. I have to define the business partner first. See, under business partner only, I have to select the account group, or you can say the first I'll select BP role, then I will go for to the account group.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
So
Yes.
for what I
Okay.
have to do first, I have to define the role. Even if you are not defining the role, also we can take the standard one. Okay, FLCU 01, we can take the standard one. Okay. So just for your understanding only, I'm going in this sequence. Okay.
Okay. No issues.
Okay. So that also we can do. Okay. Let me unable to minimize this. Okay, fine, guys. Let's as Rajesh said, we'll go with this one. Okay. We'll go with the account group setup first. Okay. Then Rajesh, what is the T code to create the account group?
I will. I will say there's some steps we can follow.
Yeah, tell me that one.
Okay. We have to maintain there. It is first.
Okay. Not required. Let me explain account group first. Guys, everyone, please write down this thing. Swaroop, write down this thing. Everyone, please write down. What is account group? Rajesh, you also, please.
Okay. Okay.
Purpose of account group mainly, let me clear it. The purpose of account group is it controls the fields in the customer master. As we are SD consultant, we will focus on this customer master only. Okay, but this here in this S4 HANA, customer master will come under this BP. Okay, but okay, as Rajesh said, so I also thought, okay, let's go with the account group so that it will help to both the who is using S4 HANA and who is using ECC. So that's the reason I thought to go ahead with this account group first. Okay. So write down purpose of account group. First thing, first thing, it controls the fields in the customer master. It controls the fields in the customer master. It controls the fields in the it controls the fields in customer master.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's understand account group. Okay. Account group controls the field in the customer master. Second, it controls number range. It controls number range. Controls number range. It controls partner functions. Partner functions. Okay. The standard account group is standard account group. Standard account group is 0001. And can anyone tell me? I have already discussed this thing. Can anyone tell me what does it mean? Standard account group 0001. I am when I am saying it is for. which partner function?
Sold party.
Yes, yes, sold to party. Okay. So this 0001 is for sold to party. Okay, sold to party. Then second one is 0002. This is for ship to party. Then 0001. Sorry, not 0001. 0003. Okay, is for payer, right? And
Bill to party, sir.
bill to party. Did I say triple? Okay, then that's a mistake I did. Okay, just correct that one. 0003 is for payer, and 0004 is for bill to party. Okay, bill to party. Okay, so in shortcut, we make it. We will write down this sold to party, ship to part sh. Then this one is py. This one is p bp again. Okay. So this BP is bill to party, not that one business partner. Okay. Now these are the four partner functions we have. This is called partner function. Partner functions. Okay. Oh, it's already 9:35. Okay, guys, then we can stop this. Okay. For today. Tomorrow we'll continue from this onwards. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we'll cover account group tomorrow and business partner roles. Okay, that
Okay.
both the configuration we'll discuss tomorrow. So tomorrow is quite
Okay.
important. Please, no one miss the class. Please
Okay.
try to not to miss the class, single class. Okay,
Sir,
chalo.
where is this recording is being uploaded?
Yeah, that is. See, I have another way here. So that is uploaded there in the website.